I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me.
Your girl Lala, and I am back with another YouTube video. So in today's video I am bringing you this makeup tutorial, and y'all, this is everything. So today I tried out some new products. I tried out the Jeffery Star palette. I tried out some lashes, and these lashes is from the beauty supply store, the beauty supply store. But yeah, make sure you stay tuned to see all the new products that I try out in this video. And yeah, before we even hop into this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you are subscribed to become a real MVP. And once you do that, we can go ahead and hop into this video because I know y'all are tired of me rambling. So let's get into the video. So recently I picked up some new products, and among these products I picked up the J-Star Jawbreaker palettes. And at first I wasn't going to get this palette, but the colors in here are so freaking pretty. But then I was thinking, like, okay, they probably not going to show up that good, or like they look so, like, what's the word, like pastel. So I didn't know if I wanted to get it. But y'all, when I tell you that these shadows are so freaking soft and they apply so nicely, I'm gonna have to order some more palettes because this right here is bomb. But I'm about to take this shade right here called Raspberry. So next I am about to go into this shade right here called Cherry Wet. So now I am about to go into this shade right here called Fuck. So y'all, I am in love with this palette. Like, I cannot wait to create some more looks with this palette. All I can say is that there is a little bit of kickback in the pan, but I feel like that's because the shadows are so soft. But y'all, these shadows are so freaking pigmented, and I hope it's showing like the neon pink like look that it's giving me in person on camera, and it's not showing up red because I'm looking at my computer and it's showing up red. So I hope y'all getting the full effect. But anyways, I'm about to go in with my Plouise base in Rumor Zero just to go ahead and cut my crease. So yeah. I am about to go into the Carnival palette, and I am just going in to take this green right here called Ecstasy. So now I am about to go back into the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm about to go into this shade right here called Gumdrop. So I recently ordered like a bunch of pigments from Toffee Cosmetics, and I'm about to go in with the shade Wedding Cake. which on camera is not really showing up like as a color, but this is like a really pretty like peachy rose goldish type of color, and I'm about to take that over this purple and over the white part. I'm about to move on to the face, and first I'm going to take some micellar water and some cotton rounds just to clean up all this fallout. So for primer, as always, I'm going in with my Milk Hydro Grip and my e.l.f. Poreless Putty. Foundation, I'm about to be taking the Black Radiance foundation stick, and this is in the shade Bronze Glow. And then I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia foundation, and this is in the shade 480C. For concealer, I'm gonna be going into the Juvias Place concealer, and this is in the shade 18. And then to set that, I'll be going into my Too Faced powder, and this is the translucent powder. And then I'll be going into my MAC Studio Fix powder to set the rest of my face, and this is in the shade C8. I'll be going into my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and then to cut my contour on my cheeks, I'll be going back into my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade C8, and then to bake, I'll be going into my Fenty Beauty powder, and then finally to bronze, I'll be going into the Fenty Beauty, this is the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this is in the shade Coconutty. Blush, I'm about to go into my Juvia's Place to Harm blush palette, and this is volume 1, but I'm about to take this shade right here called Zane. So now I'm about to spray my face with some MAC Fix Plus, and then for a highlighter, I'll be going in with 2 highlighters from KRouser Davis, and this one is in Bomb AF, which I'm gonna go in with this one first because it's more of like a pinky highlighter, and then this one is Glow Getter, which is a gold highlighter. So in with this style right here. These look super duper crazy, and these are 25mm lashes, y'all. These are so cute. These are so freaking pretty. So I'm gonna go in with these, and don't be sleeping on the beauty supply store, because sometimes you can find some gems, and these lashes was only $3. Like, you can't beat that. So for a lip liner, I'm about to go into this NK pencil, and this is in the shade brown. But it's just a pencil from the beauty supply store. So now I'm about to go into the Anastasia liquid lip, and this is in the shade Sand. Look, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below any videos you'd like me to do or any suggestions that you have for my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed, because sis, you done already made it to the end of the video, so you might as well just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And make sure you're following me on my social medias. I'll have them all linked down below, because if I'm not on YouTube, then I'm more than likely on one of those. So make sure you are following me, and make sure you go ahead and check out my influencer link and give that page a follow also, and sign up to receive some free products to review. But without further ado, you already know what your girl is about to say. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the real MVP. Period. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.